This will be fun. If you're wondering, I'm gonna go back down it. Except you guys are seeing it. That's not the point of the video. The point of it is popcorn, popcorn, popcorn. Sorry, gotta end it here. Harry Potter.